Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best electric smokers under $300 in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Cuisinart COS 330 electric smoker. This Cuisinart electric smoker is easy to operate and doesn't require any training program or previous experience to get astonishing experience. You have to load food, add water and wood chips to dedicated trays. After loading all required things, set the temperature and forget the babysitting of food. So enjoy and spend more time with your friend and family with minimum maintenance of this smoker. This smoker includes 3 chrome-coated steel cooking shelves, a water pan, a drip pan, and a wood chip box. The simple and easy to plug-in appliance gives double performance as compared to the oven. It delivers delicious smoked food without any hard effort. Apart from this, every component has its duties to give amazing results. Its dedicated water pan raises the humidity and doesn't let the food dry. Number 2. Our second best pick is Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker Charcoal Smoker. The Weber Smokey Cooker is a closed multi-level smokehouse where smoke spreads evenly around grills and foods. It has a large opening door for refuel the chips during the cooking process without losing smoke. It can remarkably maintain a steady temperature for long hours. The solid and best finish build design makes this smoker long-lasting and durable. The 14-inch WSM offers 286 square inch of grilling space, perfect for small families. At once, you can cook 2 pork butts, 2 chickens, and 3 to 4 racks of ribs. Weber 14 inches requires to be emptied after finishing cooking, and the tool has cooled down as it doesn't have an ash pan. It uses less charcoal, so it produces less ash but gives efficient burning and heat. For heat and moisture maintenance, it includes dampers that control the flow of heat. Number 3. Our third best pick is Masterbuilt MB200702210 Analog Smoker. Masterbuilt is a great manufacturer for grills and smokers with excellent built design. In this smoker, you have seen plenty of space that can hold up to 3 chickens, 2 turkey, 3 racks of ribs, or 3 pork butts. The industrial-grade components ensure your safety and run the smoker smoothly. Although it includes solid build features and excellent insulation but installs it farther from home. This 30-inch appliance gives meals for group gatherings, as it consists of 3 chrome-coated grates. In this price range, it offers such great exclusive performance. The 1,500 watts of heating element provide even and consistent smoking to the upper rack. All temp settings are controlled from outside through an analog dial. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Char-Broil 172020004 Digital Electric Smoker. The deluxe model of Char-Broil is for barbecue food lovers who desire a smoker that requires less maintenance and gives rich flavored food. Use this smoker for ribs, chicken, turkey, or pork meat. The 4 adjustable racks can hold enough volume of food in 725 square inches of cooking surface. This hassle-free unit requires temperature and timer adjustment from the panel. The heavy-duty material of grates and body can withstand rust and offers great reliability. The food-grade material has no toxins releasing ability and resists rust. The large transparent door lets you see the cooking meat without opening the door in between the process. This deluxe smoker is 10 times more efficient than other electric smokers. The double insulation keeps smoke and heat in the smoking chamber. A long latch prevents smoke tightly and doesn't escape the heat from the cooker. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Dyna-Glo DGX 780 BDC-D Vertical Smoker. This Dyna-Glo vertical smoker brings the best taste of grilled and smoked food at an affordable option. It can fit with your patio or deck and lets you enjoy yourself with family and friends. The 784 square inches of cooking space offers you ample space to cook various dishes at a single time. The charcoal and ash management system makes it easy for the user to clean. Its porcelain enamel chamber stores wood and charcoal tightly to burn them efficiently. The removable ash pan with high capacity is under the fourth grate to provide maintenance-free and clean cooking. For user convenience, this smoker has precise temperature control along with adjustable smokestack and dampers. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.